Good morning, everybody. It's what is today's date? Today is the November 24th, Saturday, November 24th. Heading out for our first ride of the season. Got about a foot or so up the hill, so not looking for anything great today. Just a little road riding, get a little throttle therapy. Gonna take the truck up, unloading the trailer. Got the sled out. We're gonna go throw it in the back of the truck and head up and meet Mr. Chris DeMarco. Well, we're headed up to the mountains. We're riding Highway 108. Looks like we're gonna be heading back into Herring Creek area, which heads up to Castle Rock, a popular riding area for us. And hopefully we got a couple feet of snow to ride on, but we'll see. It's a little early in the year. Well, I shouldn't say it's early in the year, but it's definitely a little less snow than I like to ride on. A lot of times what happens when you get anxious, you go out and ride, you break stuff. You clip a rock, you clip a tree, limb, or a stump, and you end up breaking. So you don't want to get too excited, too anxious, and get out there to ride, because you'll just end up breaking your stuff, and then when the deep snow comes, you're fixing your sled. So I'm on my way up. Looking forward to a little throttle therapy here. All right, we made it to our spot. Little wheeling to get here. I don't know, there's over a foot here.
All goes up from here.
Check it out, sunset. Like this, Steve. My seat does it too. We had a nice little ride. Met up with a couple buddies of Team 108, Pierre and Rob. Got up onto Castle Rock. We had about a foot to 2 foot snow in the 7,000 to 9,000 foot range. And then for sunset, we headed over to Pinecrest Peak. So it was a good ride, good little start of the season to just kind of get us excited. But we got a big storm coming in next couple days. Looks like it's going to be a week long, so we should get a nice big dumping. And
all right, so we're going to test out the BCA here. Avalanche protection. You won't die in an avalanche. You'll float.
what do you think, boys? All right.
It works.